join with me again for your English class. First of all, for lesson for class 8, lesson number 2, I have taken it from your English storybook, which so happened, and the heading of the lesson is The Children at Work. In this story, the author has described this story from a boy whose name was Velu, and he was only 11 years old. But the bad circumstance, he had to left his village, to left his house due to his father. The story goes on it that his father was a drinker, and both Velu and his only sister worked at the farm, and when they returned in the evening with the money, he snatched the money from them and went and spent it on drink, and they left the house for several days without eating. One day his father beat him so hard, and for this reason Velu left his house with a small bundle. In that bundle he had kept a shirt and a towel and a comb. He left his house, he went to the railway station, caught the train, and first of all he reached at Kanpur. Then after he catched another train and went to Chennai. When he reached on the platform, he was surprised to look so many people there. There was a much rush. His feet were wobbled and mind was also spinning. So he sat on a bench, which is a small bundle, and began to think more about himself. He had no idea about that place, about the big city, where he had to go and what to do. He sat sadly. At the meantime, a girl came near him. She was intelligent. She wore a long banyan, and she had a plastic bag. She stored in it the useless plastic cups, plates, etc. When she looked Velu, she came near him and asked what his name was. But Velu did not want to talk with a girl whom he had no idea. So he did not answer. But that girl wanted to help him. She told politely that you will sit here on the bench, but nobody would come to help you. In this city, you will look so many children at the work. As we see in our society, in the town, nearby town, or cities, also we may find so many children going on the work. So she told him politely, join with me, I may help you. And after some time, Velu also joined with her. And what would happen, I will teach in the next part. Only first part I have taught today. You will revise it, you will think about it, and here are some word meaning for you. You will remember it by heart, heel and heart. And Here are 3 questions for you. Just I have told, just I have taught. In the summary, you will find out the answer and note it on your notebook. Thanks for